Alam naman natin na sa panahon ngayon tumataas na yung value ng mga cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB at marami pang iba. Isama na rin natin dyan yung mga meme coins. So tamang-tama ang video na to dahil pinadalhan tayo ng Elephal ng Xcard na cold wallet kung saan maaari natin itong gamitin at safe na safe ito. So susubukan natin i-set up, gagamitin natin paano mag-transfer, paano mag-send at titingnan natin kung gaano ka safe and secured yung asset natin dito. So without further ado, let's go! Okay guys, so inbox na natin siya. Ayan, tanggalin na natin sa plastic. So, hiniwa na natin, din na lang natin pinakita sa video. So, para saan guys, napaka-premium box pa lang. Ayan. So, dito guys, nakasulat na yung mga features niya guys, lalo na yung CCEL 6 Plus offline wallet generation, multi-layered protection, ayan, cross-wallet compatibility, bank card size and portable, ayan, duplicate for backup and more. So hindi lang yun guys, meron din tayong highlight dito na 40 plus coins, NFTs and more than 10,000 tokens paired with Elephal app. So pwede rin tayo mag-swap, buy and stake with ease. So ganyan po siya kaganda. So buksan na natin. Let's go. Kapag magbukas. Okay, so napakaganda guys, no? So what we have here is the device. Okay. Yung device natin. And then, yung card. So, as far as I know guys, itong card na to is itong parang sleeve niya, protector po siya. Ayan. So, nakasulat dito. Ayan. Protector sleeve to prevent unauthorized scanning. Okay. So, kapag hindi nyo siya ginagamit, much better you put it here. Wow. Look at this. Napakaganda oh. Grabe. Look at the premium design of this card guys. Ang ganda. Okay. Ayan. So, ang ganda niya guys. For the next one guys, meron tayong quick start guide. Okay, so ayan. Instruction kung paano natin siya gagamitin. And yeah, QR code, daily use, attention, something like that. Okay, next is the what's in the box. So, as far as I know, kompleto naman. Seed phrase sheet. Okay, so dito guys, ito yung ilalagay yung seed phrase ng inyong device. Tapos, and the last one guys is yung kanyang charging cable, USB Type-C na po siya. Okay, so ayan, tanggalin natin yung plastic. Wow, this is the most I love. Okay, so ngayon guys, again, power on. Dahil nalobat siya. Ayan, create new wallet. Press the circle. Okay, insert card. Okay, let's insert this card. Ayan. Okay. And from here guys, we are going to choose seed phrase 12, 18, and 24. In my case guys, let's check this one. We can input up to 24. So let's try to use 24 for full security purposes. Okay. So let's set up the pin. Okay, wallet created. So, need na duplicate. So, let's say no kasi isa lang naman yung card natin. Let's hit this red one. And now, back up your seed phrase. Next. Otherwise, you may losing assets which cannot be recovered. So, we need to input all of the seed phrase here. Okay, so I've selected 24. So, I'm gonna use pen to input all the seed phrase. Okay, so after we write down all the 24 words, so we need to confirm the seed phrase kung talagang na-input ba natin siya. Okay, and so yung number 7 ko, let's check. Number 12. Okay, you can now remove the card. Okay, you've created one card. So, I think that's it. Connect Elephal app to proceed. Okay. So, ngayon guys, pupunta na tayo sa Elephal app. Okay. So, ayun guys, itong device na to, hindi na natin siya gagamitin. Actually, ginamit lang natin siya for the setup. And since okay na tong card natin, we can use this na as a cold wallet sa ating Elephal app. Okay, from here guys, sa app natin, tap natin tong Elephal app. Okay, and here guys, select natin yung cold wallet. And dito guys, select natin itong Xcard. And from here guys, kailangan natin turn on yung NFC. Hanapin natin dito guys yung NFC. Meron tayong NFC dito. Ayan, turn on natin yung NFC. Okay, tapos set up natin. Okay, so enter natin yung card pin natin. Okay, submit natin guys. Tapos dikit natin sa likod. Ay, pag nag-vibrate siya, huwag nyo muna tatanggalin. Hintayin nyo muna matapos. Ayan, okay. At this point guys, so magsa-set up na tayo, no, ng mga asset or coin na gusto nating ilagay. For example guys, si BTC, select all na natin para mas maganda, complete. Ayan. So mamaya natin lagyan ng feedback. So ayan guys, so ito na yung pinakang wallet natin, connected na siya at wala siyang laman ngayon. So ngayon, magde-deposit tayo using BNB. So ang gagawin lang natin guys is tap receive, tapos BNB. Ayan, copy lang natin yung wallet address, then gagamit ako ng computer para makapag-send. Okay, so ngayon guys, itatry nating i-check, ayan, sa ating wallet kung pumasok yung transfer nating asset. As example, refresh natin. Ayun, so okay guys, pumasok yung BNB na ginawa nating example to receive asset. Okay, so ngayon magsasend naman tayo ng asset. Tap lang natin yung send. Okay, select natin si BNB and then paste lang natin dito yung wallet address and then max BNB natin, for example. Okay, tapos tap natin yung submit. So i-ready natin yung card natin guys kasi ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay, understand. Ayan, use the X card wallet ending number. Next. Ayan, tapos yung pin natin. Okay, so after natin malagay yung pin, submit. Tapos tapat lang natin to sa likod. Okay. Ayan. Ayun, so ganun lang siya kabilis. Ganun lang siya kadali. So gaano nga ba ka-safe and secure ditong Elephal X Card Cold Wallet? EL6 Plus Secure Chip Bank Grade Protection na siya. Fully offline maximum security. Tap to go, easy NFC use for daily life, clone up to 10 cards, quick backups, pin protection for extra layer and security. So hindi lang yung supported din ito yung mga NFTs, more than 40 coins at yung more than 10,000 tokens. So guys, para sa akin napaka-worth it itong card na to. Okay, cold wallet ang tawag dito ni Elephal. Thank you so much Elephal, pinadalahan niyo ako nito. Kung gusto niyo bumili, siguro lagi ko na rin yung link in the video description below. Worth it siya guys, secure and safe. Basta ingatan niyo lang tong card na to. And just in case mawala yung card na to, yung inyong seed phrase ang pwede nyong gamitin. Kaya mas ingatan nyo tong seed phrase guys. Okay? So yeah, that's it. Kung meron kayong katanungan, comment down below. Susubukan ko sagutin yan. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next one. Peace!